In this video, I'll show you how to edit text in Capcut template. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so there are two methods that you can edit text in Capcut. Number one is you go to your mobile device and open the app itself, if you're comfortable using your phone, or like me who prefers to use my computer, log into Capcut.com, log in using your credentials. All right, and if you are on your account, we are going to look for a template. I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer, guys, that not all templates are editable in terms of the text, so you have to search for a template that the text can be editable. Right, so my suggestion is you go to the search bar and type editable text, so it'll give you a plenty of options for you to choose from depending on the video that you wanted. Right, so I chose this video right here. So basically all you gotta do is click on the text itself right here. Okay, so I'm going to put this caption here. All right, and hit enter. Right, that's it. And it's still loading, but once you've done that, it'll automatically implement the effects, and that's how you edit text in Capcut template. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.